Aga mu double. Oh, mamaga. That was close.
Hey yo guys, I just parked in front of an Audi dealership. A few days ago, my friend Martin called me and said, hey, do you wanna test this really cool new car that supposedly is faster than the Taycan? You already know what my answer was. So let's find Martin, let's find the car, and let's see what's up.
Nije res je GT, a ne? Res je ne moramo še dobiti. Sam stranski doma. To je kar Taycan štel.
Ja, seveda. Isto je variant na E-Tron. Ja, isto bazica, pa Audi gledamo.
Pa nek svoj software. Isto drugače.
Whoa. Pretty cool.
E-Tron.
Yes. That's it. Can I go lower? Yeah. Do you know that's actually my first time driving
Driving an electric car. Really?
Yeah.
Damn.
It's a pretty good one, huh?
Yeah. Not a bad first choice.
Oh, that's so weird.
Right? It's
Yeah.
like quiet. I don't think you have it in sport.
I don't know. So just to clarify, this is Audi E-Tron GT,
Yeah.
and there's an RS version as well, which is not this one.
This is the middle one. I
Okay.
think. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I'll try to floor it.
It goes well. Yeah.
Holy mother of AAA batteries.
It actually has some sound.
Yeah, a bit. We just picked up the car now, so we'll try to find some nice roads, because it's a lot of traffic on the road, so we wanna go outside of the city, and try it a bit more, not just the acceleration, because we all know the party trick is the acceleration, but I'm really interested how this thing corners.
So
we found some corners.
I'm already hanging on for my dear life.
You can really feel the low center of gravity, because even though we are fast into the corner, like you really feel you sit on top of the car.
Car actually doesn't tilt. It's straight all the way.
Yeah.
That's partly also because it has air suspension.
Yeah.
That also helps, but yeah, the ride through the corners is very flowy, I would say. Like no gear changing for instance, and you have instant torque.
Yeah.
You can do very fast cruising and have a feeling that you are not going so fast.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah.
It's like immediately up to the speed, and then you're cruising there, and then it's, I don't know, a town, and then you're like back to 50.
Yeah.
This definitely feels like future.
Yeah.
Like you can't compare it to a normal. It's not. I mean, it's a different car.
It's different, but it's good different.
It feels very solid. The whole car.
Yeah. And compact, even though it has more than 2 tons. So yeah.
Straight.
Yep. The first kick is like you can really feel the first kick, and then it slowly goes down.
Yeah. Woo! I like the instant torque out of the corner. Look at that. Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh.
And it handles quite good.
has so much grip. I mean, of course we have all the electronics turned on because it's not our car, but like, woo!
Yeah.
It doesn't let go. Even in like really sharp corners, it just sticks.
And it also consumes bumps on the road perfectly.
Yeah. Whoa.
And we have it on fully sporty mode. Yeah, so it's on hard suspension, but it's still comfortable.
So we just pulled up for the first time, and yeah, here's a few of my favorite details so far. Look at this. Like the grille. Can you see this? Like it's some kind of a 3D effect that you can oh, now you can see it. So I really like that. So it's not all, you know, flat black, because there's a lot of black in the front. So it's really cool to see that they break it up with such small but really elegant details. And then outside, I mean, it looks like a sports car, but it's still elegant, you know. It's not like shouting, look at me, I'm a sports car. And then inside, it's very Audi. It's very elegant, simple. You have Porsche seats here in this car. Like it. And what's weird is that the car is currently turned on, so we have the AC working and everything, but it's quiet, like it's parked. So I'm not used to that yet. And my favorite detail is this part, so that goes all around, and here you can see coming back there, and what they did with this door handles, you know, it's very well designed. Oh, and before I noticed these pedals at the back, the shifter pedals at the back of the steering wheel. I'm not really sure why would you use them, because this car doesn't have any gears, or maybe it has to, like a Taycan has. I'm not sure. I'll ask Martin. I don't know anything about this car. What's the horsepower? I haven't read anything, but maybe that's good to get the first impression based on nothing, you know. Look at this big panoramic sunroof. I love that, and it's kind of tinted, so it doesn't bother you if outside is very sunny. So that's really good. Okay, and now it's the stick of truth.
We found it after half an hour of searching.
Yeah.
And as Mark Watson would say, we have to check things out. So firstly, this thing.
Yep.
It goes through. Perfect.
Functional.
This, also everything functional. Let's go at the back. This is also functional. Good job, Audi.
Yep.
And we come to the back. Well, that's a fake diffuser. But overall, not so much fakery. I like it. Yeah, it's also fake.
Well, you don't have anything to cool there, so.
But it looks cool, so.
Yep.
That's a plus.
Yep. Looks really cool.
Yeah, yeah.
So what's the conclusion? A thing that you like and a thing that you don't like?
It's usable for every day if you're doing small commutes. It's heavy, but it hides his weight very well.
Yeah.
The downside is, as we all know, the charging, because it takes time, even if you have a fast charger at home. That's it.
Would you have it?
I don't know, maybe in 5 years.
What about this or Taycan?
the thing with Taycan is now they released the Sport Turismo. So if I would choose between Sport Turismo and E-Tron, I would choose the Sport Turismo. If I would choose between the regular Taycan and this car, I would choose this car.
Yeah, I would do the same, but I think it will be interesting to watch what Audi will come up with the answer to the Cross Turismo.
Yeah.
That could be really interesting.
Yeah.
You heard it here first.
It's a wrap.
That's it for today. Thank you, Martin, for inviting me down to try this car together with you. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Ciao.